AEHR Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. Aehr Test Systems, 30% up. Where the heck are we heading next? One thing that I must say is that this is one heck of a bearish market. Let me come here. Well, it is going down. I mean, I take that back. It's pretty not, you know, like higher time frame actually still has hope because it still has not broken the lows with a full candle. So that's that. My hopes are going to be up the moment I see a full weekly candle close above 937. I mean, we can argue I've already seen once, but this is the top that I want to see getting cleared out. And what can I do in the meantime is just be patient. Again, this is the daily chart. And if there's no shift above that, then why the heck would I try and force movements? We're literally in the most prime time to buy, but if no rules are met, it's just pretty much doing nothing, you know. So I'll continue to keep you updated, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.